Hey friends, if you encounter the driver power state failure error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the drivers. So, how would you update all drivers at once? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options, select optional updates and download the optional updates. Then go back to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates as well, so that we can make sure that everything is updated. Now the second thing is to use the driver verifier tool. Search for verifier in the Windows search bar and click on this option, and this will open the driver verifier tool. Select create standard settings, next, and it will check for unsigned drivers. If it mentions any driver like the graphics card driver or an audio driver, then you can update it, but unless it doesn't, then you do not need to update individual drivers. The next solution is to disconnect peripherals like cameras, printers, scanners, etc. But why? Because these hardware products push their own drivers to their system, and when they push their own drivers to the system, that gets into conflict with the existing drivers on the system, thus causing the blue screen of death error. And lastly, if everything else fails, then reset Windows. Why? Because it's a blue screen of death error. You cannot work with it. If you cannot work with it, then what option do you have? Save your data, right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.